In this Quiltler tutorial, I will be teaching you how to use multi-block. So I will start by selecting multi-block and then selecting blocks within my quilt. Using multi-block, you can select as many blocks as you would like. From here, I'm going to go into the Design Center and select a shape that I want to fill the blocks I selected. I'm going to use a square shape, and then I'm going to change the color using the color wheel. And I want to go with a nice light purple and select Done. From here, I'm going to preview my quilt with the preview slider at the bottom, and then select Done. And I'm going to use multi-block one more time and select the blocks that I didn't select before. And I'm going to go back into the Design Center. This time I'm going to go to my imported blocks. These blocks are photos of fabric I've taken that I would like to use as a block within my quilt. So I'm going to select the flower design and then select Done. And this is how you use multi-block in the playground.